Hey, what's up everybody? My name is D and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm currently in my Airbnb right now, and guess how much I paid for this view right here? Yeah, I only pay about $50 for 3 nights. It's a pretty good deal, right? Especially I'm living in Vietnam right now, and Vietnam is a third world country, so things are pretty cheap over here. I'm at the beach site of Vietnam. It has a pretty amazing view over here. So I'm just out here chilling, relaxing, and doing some work for my business. That is one of the reasons I'm making this video, is because I want to share with you guys my web hosting business and how it give me the freedom of traveling the world and making money at the same time. So in front of me is the web hosting business that I built for myself about 5 years ago. Ever since, I've been building a web hosting business to host a website for my client, and it helped me collect a monthly payment from my client. So I don't have to worry about the day and time. I just leave it to the system for it to collect the payment for me monthly. Sometimes when I have a deal with a client where I manage the website for them, I create the website, I manage the website. For example, like an e-commerce website, right? So the clients, sometimes they need to list new products, they need to advertise the products, they can contact me. So I will provide them the services, all the services that are needed for their website. The web hosting business is pretty amazing, in my opinion, is because there's only one WordPress installations, and you can install as many websites as you want, and as your server can handle all of those subsites. I pay about $20 right now for all of my subsites that's hosted on just one WordPress installation. It's a big benefit for me, is because all I have to do is just log in once, and then I can manage all of the websites of my client. It's convenient, is because you can update all of their website by just one click. It's a pretty good system, and it took me about 5 years to build. But in this video, I want to share with you guys the new web hosting business that I just created for some of you, especially the agency and some entrepreneur. They want to start out with this web hosting business. They don't have to spend 5 years to build this web hosting business, or to get this business running correctly, because there are some setups that it took me a long time to get it. So right here is the new hosting business that I created. If you want to own this network, please contact me. I will leave my email in the descriptions of this video. This is pretty responsive. All you have to do is just contact me. I'll set this network up for you guys. You guys can set up the payment, set up the terms of your business, and then you can start collecting payment from your client. Let's say you want to build the client's website. It should be very simple and easy, because it's only take you about 4 to 5 steps to get the website up and running. You can enter the customer's information in, pick the domain name, create an account, and then activate the website. By activate, I mean the user have to pay for the subscriptions upfront, and that way you can almost run your business anywhere in the world. Right now I'm in Vũng Tàu. It's a beach city in Vietnam, and as I see from this view, there are so many opportunities. For example, right, for Airbnb, I rent this room out. It's a pretty big and comfortable room with an amazing view. And yesterday I spoke to one of the owner here, the host for this room here, and I asked them if they interested in creating a website for their business, because I know my network can handle this kind of website, and it just dollar signs everywhere once you have a web hosting business, because you can host almost any kind of website. Especially if I'm a travel blogger, a website designer, there's like so much opportunities everywhere I go, especially in a beautiful place like Vũng Tàu. I think it's a pretty good combination because I can go to beautiful places, make a travel vlog, and take pictures of the places I stay, and I can create a similar site like Airbnb, and I can promote my viewer people from YouTube to check out these locations. If I decide to build my own Airbnb, I can do that, but in this case I just asked the owner if they want to own a similar website like Airbnb. So that case, they don't have to pay, like, let's say 10% fee for Airbnb to list on Airbnb, but all they have to pay is the Stripe fee, for example. I think the web hosting business gave me great opportunity and freedom to work almost anywhere in the world. And right now, with my current web hosting business, I pay about $20 a month, and my current revenue is about $2,200. So as you see, it's a big difference in terms of revenue and expense, which is great for profit, $2,200, but one of the clients, they decide to pay me weekly. So this is basically my full-time work, and I love it. Now that I can do what I set out to do. I visited this city about 3-4 years ago, and I talked to myself that if I can make about $200 a month, I can literally live here forever. But now that I make about $2,200, it's a pretty big number here. That will take a working person here about 10 months to make that kind of money in 1 month for me. So I think I have it pretty good because of the web hosting business. So I just wanted to share this with you guys, so you guys can actually own the web hosting business by just contacting me. I will set it up for you guys, and you can start taking on client. Alright, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.